Hello everyone, this is the part 5 of Angular 20 YouTube course. Okay, in this you will learn the types of data binding. Okay, before running to code, you first see this video and we will come in VS Code. Yesterday in the video we have learned what is data binding. In this we learn the types of data binding. Okay, there are two types of data binding. One is one way and two way. One way means only either component to HTML or HTML to component but at once a time. Okay, that is one way. And the two way means both at same time. Okay, now let's see what are the types of one way data binding. The first type is interpolation. Okay, interpolation is used to connect component data to HTML. Okay, component data to HTML. Okay, let's see syntax. Okay, syntax is two curly braces, then curly braces close, and inside this what you will do is you write the variable present in component. Okay, in component. Okay, like let's say I have a in component I have declared a variable like name. Okay, name equal to Roshan. Okay, name equal to Roshan. Now what I will do is here go in curly braces between, here I will type name. My property will be come. Okay, and that is interpolation. Now event. Event binding helps us to connect HTML to component. Okay, HTML to component. Like we in JS we on click on mouse over event are there. That's the event. Let's see syntax. Syntax is two bracket small braces event name. Okay, event name like click. Let's say click is equal to what function we want to run. Like we have declared a function name on login. Okay, on login, and here we'll what we do, click equal to on login. Okay, and this. Okay, this is event binding. Now in the third is property binding. The third property binding helps us to connect component to HTML. Okay, let's see the syntax. Like I have a form and the form value is either valid or invalid, that is present in component. Okay, the valid or invalid, valid or invalid is present in component. Okay, and now when it is invalid I want to disable the login button. Okay, login button disable. So I will what I do, I will that pass like this and disabled this, the disable what we want to do, that will pass, then it's equal to when it is true. Okay, when it is true it will be implemented. Okay, this will be implemented like when form is form dot invalid. Okay, okay, this is what this is property binding. Now that are the types of one way binding, they are finished. Now we see two way binding. Two way binding means both at the same time, HTML to component and component to HTML. Okay, both at same time. Okay, the value here will be here and the value here will be here. Okay, this the syntax is, we'll see here, the syntax is ng modal. Okay, this is equal to, and what the variable is present in our component. Okay, here will, and the like I have a obj object dot name. We use this in where we use this form handling. Okay, form handling. okay, where we want to handle the data. Okay, okay, this you understand. I think you understand this. If you have any question, please comment it. I will reply it. Okay, I think you have watched the concept of the types of data binding. Now what we now I have this I have already opened the tutorial Angular app. Okay, if you haven't done this up to you haven't come up to this, I will show you the code what to type in the terminal. Do accordingly. Okay, now first what do you do? What we see is one-way data binding. Okay, to see the one-way data binding, first clear it this one-way data binding. Okay, first we see is interpolation. What I have said that is like here, no here not. Like here I will create a variable, a name. Okay, we'll create a name variable name which type will be string. Okay, it's equal to Roshan. Okay, now we go in app.html. We have our tag inside which we will show. What we will do here is two curly braces and this dot name. Okay, I have forgotten that this use this dot in the video in while you teaching. Okay, in the copy. Now run ng shop. Let's see it. The value of component comes in our site or not. Okay, our app is building. Okay, open Google Chrome http. Yes, look here, Roshan is coming. Okay, that is interpolation. Now what was next? Next was event binding. Okay, let's say we have a button login. Okay, button. Now here what we have two, what was the syntax? Braces, and inside the what we want event name. What is our event name? Our event name is click is equal to and our function name. Okay, function name on login. Now you have to declare this function in TS. Okay, I have said that this event connects HTML to component. Okay, so you have to create this on login. Okay, on login what will do? I will change the name. This dot name is equal to what I will do is Akash. Oh sorry, string. Okay, it is string. So Akash. Okay, on log. Click of login. Now go inside on login. Look, it changed the name. Okay, that is called, what is it called? This is called event binding. Now we will see property binding. Okay, property binding. To bind the property, for the property binding, what we will do is we create a form. Okay, form inside a button. Okay, button is equal to submit, and here what we'll do, I have tell the syntax of property and this, and what you want to do property, yes, disabled what activity disabled is equal to name no this dot name is equal to this dot name. Okay, when this dot name is equal to 0, no, it's equal to oh sorry, it is creating two time. Okay, that's the mistake. Okay, you have to use single quote inside double quote. Okay, in Angular equal to Roshan. When Roshan when the value is Roshan, you have to disable the button. Okay, this submit. Now you go to site. Look here, when Roshan it is disable. Okay, when I will create it to look Akash, it enables, and again okay, login some, look it is enabled. Okay, well now loan this, that was what was that was property binding. Now property binding is finished. Now we have to what we have to do is ng model. Okay, to use ng model, we have to use we have to import form module. Okay, form module, this router outlet skip form module. Okay, I will do here. I have a input tag type equal to text. Okay, ng model it's equal to double quote okay, this dot name, I will place this dot name. Okay, I will represent this dot name. Okay, I will remove this on login comment down, and this name also name. Okay, Roshan. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, I commented, so there is a error, so I will remove this click event. Now the error. Now let's see, it connect both. I have said that it connect both. Okay, the name is shown here. I type here, the name will be represented in p tag. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is my name? My name is Akash. Okay, but it is not shown. Okay, I have implicitly said that, so it is not, or what? Okay, I will see. Okay, no, yes, I have implicitly say. Okay, I have to keep it blank. Let's say blank. It works or not? Roshan not working. Okay, I have found the error. The error is that if we use form inside, we have to submit the form first. Okay, so it was not showing. First take it out with alt down arrow. Okay, alt down arrow. This is outside form now. Okay, let's see. Okay, Roshan. Okay, Pokharel, and Akash. Okay, this is ng model. That you doing in HTML, and the value of the component is changing, and we are showing here the component name. Okay, that much for today. In next part, we will continue this Angular course. Bye bye. Thank you.